And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Mrs. Khurana. May I please? मैं इतनी ज़हमत दे सकती हूँ आपको, इतनी जुर्रत कर सकती हूँ कि I would like to request Mrs. V.S.K. Sood, Mrs. V.K. Sood, and Mrs. Uma Chopra, Mrs. Rami Kapoor, Mrs. I.P. Khanna, Mrs. Renuka Arora, and Mrs. Nimmi Kakkar, all the ladies, to please escort Mrs. Khurana to the stage. खुराना साहब को लाने की हमें कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, ये गए और दोबारा वापस आए, लेकिन मिसेस खुराना के लिए हम गुजारिश करेंगे. सर, सुना आपके कमांडोज आपको लाए थे. मिसेस खुराना, and now ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Khurana, thank you very much for being with us. We'd like to say it, ladies and gentlemen, Revlon has just stepped into India in a very big way, and they have contributed very grand awards for this evening. For the lucky draw as well, you get some very good hampers. For Mrs. Khurana for being with us, a great big hamper from Revlon Cosmetics. The President will give this away. For being with our honored Chief Minister and for being such a good wife and for continuing to be with us, Madam. Lovely Revlon Cosmetics, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, Khurana Sahab, आप use नहीं कर सकते. ये सिर्फ उनके लिए है. And now, ladies and gentlemen, awards for excellence as Sangam Kala Group members for their outstanding contribution services for this group. I would request Khurana Sahab to give away these wonderful awards which have been instituted not by me but by the president of the Sangam Kala Group. He insists that these 12 people have been hard-working and the others hardly working, which is why these 12 people get one set of awards on the stage. The other 12 will get another set of awards outside the stage. I would take their names very quickly and I'd request you to come up on stage very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, and the Honorable Chief Minister will give away these awards. Mr. K.S. Bishnoi, Mr. V.K. Sood, Mr. Sanjeev Arora, Mr. Harsh Juneja, Mr. Vijay Kapoor, Mr. A. Shama Kumar, founder member of the group, Mr. Sanjeev Kakkar, Mr. Pranab Jain, Mr. Mukesh Anand, Mr. Jagdish Chawla, Mr. Raj Chopra, Mr. Gurmeet Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, I have said these names very quickly so that they are ready. Tie shai theek kar le. Aur ab aaram se aaye. I will take their names one by one. Mr. K.S. Bishnoi, please give them a very big hand, ladies and gentlemen. The Sangam Kala Group members as they come on one by one. Mr. V.K. Sood. Mr. Sanjeev Arora. Keep that applause going, ladies and gentlemen. Agar ye na hote to hum gana na sunte aaj. Mr. Harsh Juneja. Mr. Vijay Kapoor. Mr. Vijay Kapoor. His wife is on stage. Mrs. Kapoor is here with us. Yeah, you can take the award on his behalf, sure. Mr. Shama Kumar. Mr. A. Shama Kumar, founder member of the group. Mr. Sanjeev Kakkar. Mr. Sanjeev Kakkar. He's been handling these awards all evening, ladies and gentlemen. I've seen him do that again and again. So I hope everyone's getting the right awards. Mr. Pranab Jain. Mr. Pranab Jain. Mr. Mukesh Anand. Mr. Pranab Jain. Pranab Jain, you're here, right here. Please. Can somebody hand over his award? He's been handing over other people's awards. Mr. Pranab Jain. Mr. Mukesh Anand. Mr. Mukesh Anand. Mr. Jagdish Chawla. These people have worked very hard to see the Sangam Kala Group where it is today, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Jagdish Chawla. Mr. Raj Chopra. Mr. Raj Chopra. And Mr. Gurmeet Singh. Mr. Gurmeet Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, now the best awards. Of course, the results are yet to be announced. The awards for doing us the honors, for coming back for the second time, to Shri Madan Lal Khurana from Sangam Kala Group. The President.
Khurana ji, it's a small memento from our side, and we are very happy. We love you and we adore you. Thank you.
अब इसके लिए आपको अगली बार गाना गाना पड़ेगा. To the Honorable Minister of State for Mines, Shri Girdhar Gomango ji, thank you very much for being with us, sir, and doing us the honors. A little token of affection from the Sangam Kala Group. Thank you for being with us. May there be lots of music in your minds. And now to our judges, to our honorable judges, to Bhajan Sopori ji, token of affection from the Sangam Kala Group. Thank you very much for doing us the honors of judging this contest. I'd like to request the President of the Sangam Kala Group to please request Shri Khurana ji to give this to Bhajan Sopori ji for doing us the honors of judging this great contest and for being here with us this evening. And now I would like to request Khurana ji to first say a few words before Mr. Sood goes on to... Oh, Mr. Sood wants to request him to say a few words. Please, sir, have the last word. The President always has the last word.
Khurana ji, it will be a blessing to the children and honor to us if you could say a few words, please.
केंद्रीय राज्य मंत्री श्री गिरधर जी, वीएसके सूद जी, वीके सूद जी, चाचा भतीजा श्री दिलीप सेन जी और समीर सेन जी, राजन मिश्रा जी, साजल मिश्रा जी, बाहर से आए कलाकार बंधु, देवी और सज्जनों, सबसे पहले मैं आभारी हूं इस संगठन का आयोजकों का, जिन्होंने कि मुझे को भी आमंत्रित किया और आप सबके दर्शन करने का मौका दिया। ये सुहावनी शाम, गीत और संगीत, गीत अगर शरीर होता है तो संगीत आत्मा होती है। जैसे बिना आत्मा के शरीर कोई काम का नहीं होता है या उसकी वैल्यू कम होती है, उसी प्रकार बिना संगीत के गीत बड़ा वैसा लगता है। मैं सूद जी को, उनके जितने सहयोगी हैं, उनको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, क्योंकि दिल्ली को एक हम सांस्कृतिक नगरी बनाना चाहते हैं। हमारा लक्ष्य यह है कि दिल्ली केवल राजनीतिक राजधानी ना हो, बल्कि देश की सांस्कृतिक राजधानी भी ये होना चाहिए। इसके लिए अनेक प्रकार इस तरह के कार्यक्रमों का हम प्रोत्साहन देते हैं। मैं सूद जी से कहूंगा कि आज के इस कार्यक्रम के अंदर दिल्ली सरकार की तरफ से 50,000 रुपया इसमें भी शामिल कर लें। मैं बाहर से आए अपने सभी बंधुओं का, मैंने कहा कि मैं कोई ना गीतकार हूं ना संगीतकार हूं, वो तो ये हैं, मैं तो केवल रसिया हूं। मैं आज का जो एक मस्ती भरा मस्ती, मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मैं मस्ती को पूजा से कम नहीं मानता हूं। सजदा अदा ना कर सका इसका गम नहीं, सजदा अदा ना कर सका इसका गम नहीं, मस्ती में झूमना भी किसी इबादत से कम नहीं। मैं एक बार फिर से सूद जी को, उनके सहयोगियों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हुआ कि इतने शानदार शाम के अंदर मुझको भी शामिल किया और आप सबके दर्शन करने का मौका दिया। जय भारत।